everyone, Kiana here. Hope you're staying safe and well. Today we're going to be working on forearm stands. Now these are extremely difficult and they take a lot of time, practice, and patience to get. But once you get it, it's absolutely an awesome feeling. So we're going to start off with strengthening the shoulders and the back by doing some exercises on the floor and then after using a wall. So make sure that you have a wall handy. Whenever you actually feel ready, it might not be the same day that you watch this tutorial, then you can try the forearm stand without using the assistance of a wall. First things first, pause the video right now and make sure that you're nice and warm and stretched out. Make sure that you also stretch your back and of course your shoulders, and then we'll get started. Starting with dolphin pose. Begin on your hands and knees. Align your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Lower your elbows to the floor directly beneath your shoulders and keep your forearms parallel to each other. Tuck your toes and lift your knees off the floor. Start with keeping your legs bent, and once you get comfortable with that, then you can gently straighten your legs. Lift your pelvis up toward the ceiling and draw your tailbone toward the wall behind you. Lengthen your spine and broaden across your shoulder blades. And try to relax your head, but do not let it dangle. Dolphin push-ups. Starting in a forearm plank, ensure that your core is engaged and that your elbows are stacked underneath your shoulders. Press into the palms of your hands. Take an inhale here, and as you exhale, push your hips up towards the ceiling. Then return to the forearm plank position and repeat this 10 times. Remember that the dolphin pose requires great flexibility in the calves and hamstrings, so don't worry too much if your heels aren't touching the ground. Forearm plank with leg raises. Start in a forearm plank position and tighten the core. Lift one leg toward the ceiling at a time, keeping the legs super engaged. Lower the leg back down to a plank position and then lift the other leg. Walk your feet to dolphin. Starting in a forearm plank, walk your feet towards your face as you simultaneously lift your hips up toward the ceiling. Keep your spine long, sending your tailbone up and back. Then walk your feet back to the starting plank position. Repeat this 5 times. Dolphin leg raises. Begin in the dolphin pose. Keep the core tight and the spine long as you lift one leg up toward the ceiling and back down. Engage the leg and repeat the same thing on the other leg. Do 5 reps each leg. Wall prep. Master the following exercises before practicing without a wall. Start in the dolphin pose just a few inches away from the wall and kick your legs up, trying to land your feet on the wall. Keep the core engaged and send the tailbone up. Try extending the legs, lightly pressing the heels onto the wall. Try extending one leg at a time, and then eventually you want to have the heel of the extended leg to come off the wall and see if you can hold that. Once you feel ready, try the forearm stand in front of a wall and then you can try it without a wall. Once you become comfortable with this, you can try different variations, such as the back bend, when you push your hips forward and bring your feet towards your head. You can also try the front split variation. This is great for increasing your active flexibility as you are engaging your hip flexors and your hamstrings. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, concerns, or you just want to say something, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more tutorials just like this. So now this was part 2 of the mini-series Prep for Inversions, which is hosted by myself as well as Alt Fitness Glasgow. So the next part will be all about shoulder stands. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay safe, and keep training.